Meanwhile, indigenous scholars from various countries are in town for a 3-day gathering. We'll find out more of this from this report.
A 3-day seminar workshop of indigenous scholars from different parts of the world was held at Mandaluyong City. The gathering is designed to better know the different cultures, traditions, and beliefs of indigenous peoples in each country. The workshop also promotes equality of rights among IPs through education, as education is the key to overcome discrimination among IPs.
We need to produce new textbooks that will address the colonial representations of indigenous peoples because they are continuing, and this is not good for our country if we want to develop as a nation.
The seminar provides new knowledge and learning experiences among the scholars.
I think the greatest learning point for me was the notion of renaming to reclaim, to recover.
Napakayaman, no, yung mga binabahaging mga karanasan mula sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. At maraming natututunan ng isang educator na gaya ko at kahit isang IP.
For our CBCP representative, this seminar will serve as a bridge to unite all Filipinos and be able to know the roots of every culture.
Kinakailangan natin ugatin yung ating katutubong kamalayan na ano ba talaga yung mas pinag-uugatan ng ating mga karanasan, kundi yung masasabi nating katutubong pinanggagalingan.
To address the problems facing indigenous communities, the important role media plays was cited.
Media really has a role to play in correcting this discriminatory representation of indigenous peoples.
For the People's Television, Dina Pagibitan.